Every strong company begins with a clear belief.
In the beginning, it was simple. Packaging could do more and could do better.
What began as an idea quickly became a shared vision.
आज आपण 10 वर्षाचा उत्सव साजरा करत नाही तर जवळजवळ आपण 10 वर्षाचा सन्मान साजरा करत आहोत.
As the years progressed, trust followed. More brands, more partnerships, greater responsibility.
The very first time when a major customer believed in us, started working with us, gave us an opportunity, that's when we realized it's real.
Then came the turning point.
When that first machine started running, everything changed.
Our goal is so simple. Whatever the products it's getting dispatched from our premises, it has to be expect the customers meet.
Production strengthened, delivery accelerated, confidence deepened. With full in-house production came control, and with control came recognition.
वो टाइम पे हमारे पास एक मशीन थी, तब हमने 4000 स्क्वायर फुट में यहाँ पे काम चालू कर दिया था. अभी करंट हमारे पास 18 मशीन है और जो एरिया है हमारा 48,000 स्क्वायर फुट हुआ है.
Recognition matters, but what matters the most is the responsibility it brings.
Innovation became a constant, and soon our work crossed borders.
We don't launch products for the sake of it. We solve the problem that matters.
I joined Packet 3 years ago, driven by the belief that packaging can be both sustainable and scalable. My focus has been clear: building stronger partnerships and expanding our impact through sustainable business practices.
Project Aranyam is not just about planting seeds, it's about planting an idea, a process of bringing evolution to the packaging industry. This is what packaging is all about.
Scale demands strength.
Growth is exciting, but discipline keeps it sustainable.
Behind every milestone are people.
तो हम लोग आए थे तो मुंबई में सोचा था मुंबई जाएंगे तो डर लगेगा क्योंकि परिवार हमारा बिहार में रहता है. बट यहाँ पे आने के बाद हमारे जो सीनियर स्टाफ है उन्होंने हमें काफ़ी सपोर्ट करा. खुशी की बात तो ये है कि मेरे को ज्वाइन किए हुए 7 महीने हुए हैं और कंपनी का ये 10वां सालगिरह होने वाला है. तो इससे ज़्यादा खुशी का माहौल नहीं हो सकता हमारे लिए कुछ भी.
10 years ago, it started with a belief. Today, we build with experience. The next decade is about making Packet the world's obvious choice for sustainable transit packaging.
10 years of belief, 10 years of building, 10 years stronger.